How to export your trade history on Binance Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can export trade history on Binance Wallet. Well, to export your trade history from your Binance Wallet, you want to first open up Binance and log into your account. So once you're logged in, the next step what you want to do is you want to navigate to the wallet section. So head into assets and navigate to wallet. Then under wallet, you should be able to find the transaction history option. Now in my case, I don't have any transaction performed, but you'll find your transaction history. Once you find your transaction history, you're going to click on export transaction records option and follow the prompts to generate and download your statement. So this is how you can easily export trade history on Binance. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.